Most of the A-level students struggle when it comes to chemistry. Especially for physical science students, it's a nightmare. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a method I found which made it possible to score 90 plus on my GCE A levels back in 2014. As we all know, the paper consists of two parts. Let's talk about the MCQ paper first. You have 50 questions. First 30 have 5 answers and you have to pick the correct one. Usually, the first few questions are very easy, so answer them first as they'll boost your confidence. Remember, I said first few. That means like first 2 or 3 questions, no more. Then got the last 20 questions. They are very hard because they have multiple correct answers or sometimes can be very confusing. These questions need full focus and attention, but after answering 30 questions, most of the students are exhausted, stressed out, and time is also running out by the time they reach these questions. So in my method, you answer the first few questions and then you go to the last 20 questions. Answer the questions from 40 to 50 as they are the most difficult ones and you need a fresh set of eyes. And then move to the ABCD questions. Later, to the rest of the first 30 questions. A simple method I used to trick my brain not to panic was that I skipped all the physical science questions as they are very time consuming. I'll do others first and then come back to physical science ones. The reason is this. Every question carries only 1 mark, irrespective of the level of difficulty. So if you spend a long time on a hard one, you might get like 1 mark, but if you run out of time, you'll lose 10 marks from the questions you couldn't do because you spent way too much time on that one single question. But keep in mind that if you're skipping a question, circle them so you will not miss them. Let's talk about the second part of the paper. There are 4 structured essay questions and 4 essay questions. 4 questions in this part are respectively from general chemistry, inorganic chemistry, thermodynamics and electrochemistry, and organic chemistry. Organic was my forte and I usually finish it within 5 minutes. So I directly go for the organic structured essay and then the essay. What you have to remember is that A-levels is not just about knowledge. It's a battle of stress as well as time management. So finish the ones that you find easy and confident in, and then you'll have a lot of time remaining in your hands to tackle the ones that you find difficult. There's no order, just pick the essay or structured essay in the area you're most confident in and work your way through that. As you can see, this is the structure of the essay paper, and the red arrow shows the combination of problems you should pick to score more. You cannot tackle 2 physical questions as it will stress you out and you'll also run out of time. Usually I pick the first physical question out of the 2 because I find it relatively easy. But if you prefer the second one, there's no problem, just no 2 physical questions. From part C, you absolutely can't choose the third one. It has a very complex marking scheme and you're bound to lose marks there. They expect very specific words and phrases from us to score. While in organic or inorganic, where there's a specific answer for each and every question, in industrial ones, apart from knowledge, you also need a mind reading skill as well. So no. If you need good marks, do not do that question. By using this method, I saved 1 entire hour from the first paper and 1 hour from the second paper, which I spent on doing that second physical question. So I did all 3 questions in that section. So that's it for today, guys. If you need the article for this video, it's in the description below. If there are more topics I need to cover, just let me know in the comment section, and have a nice day.